Welcome back everyone! Sa video series na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang Principles of Integral Evaluation. At in particular, ang aaralan natin ngayon ay ang integration by parts. Ito yung sinasabi ng integration by parts. If you have an integral u dv, ma-express mo raw yun as uv minus integral ng v du. At kapag definite integral siya, may mga numbers dito, may limits of integration siya, you just use the same formula, but the first term, you evaluate it from a to b, tapos yung pangalawa naman, integral siya from a to b. At meron tayong tip when choosing u. Tip lang ito ha, okay, advice lang. So, fina-follow natin itong mnemonic device na Liate, at ito yung priority when choosing u. Although hindi siya laging nag-work, pero useful siya kapag alam natin siya. So it stands for yung L logarithmic, yun yung pinakaunang priority natin for u pag nagle-let tayo. I for inverse trig, A for algebraic expressions, T trigonometric, E exponential. Or you can choose u to be something that is easy to differentiate, while yung dv something easy to integrate. Take note of the word easy kasi subjective yung salitang easy. At gagawin natin itong mga examples na ito. Our choice for u is yung Liate, diba? Try nating apply. So, ang priority niya is logarithmic for u. And sa example natin, baka ang ililet u natin dito is ln of x. Actually, wala rin tayong choice kasi ln of x lang yan. At hindi natin kayang integrate basta-basta ang ln of x. And yung dv, yung matitira. That's why you get dx. And then differentiate this part to get du. The derivative of ln of x is 1 over x. While for this one, ang integral ng 1 ay x lang. Sa dulo na tayo maglalagay ng plus c. And let us apply the integration by parts formula. So yung integral ni ln of x dx is equal to, anong sabi ng formula? uv, so u times v, x ln of x minus integral ng v du. But v du, ang product nun ay dx lang. So the integral nito is x lang, and then you write plus c, yung constant. And you can check that this answer is correct by differentiating. Dapat when you differentiate this, you get ln of x. And additional remark lang, basically yung ginagawa ng integration by parts is nire-rewrite natin yung integral, naglalat tayo ng u tsaka ng dv in the hope na yung kakalabas ng integral, which is this, is easier to integrate. Try naman natin si number 2. Ganun ulit, magle-let u ka ng something, tapos dv equal to something. At ang priority natin kay u ay yung Liate. And in this case, we have algebraic at saka trigonometric. At according sa priority natin, mauuna ang algebraic kaysa sa trigonometric. So, ang ililet u natin in this case is x. While dv is cosine x dx. Sulat nga natin muna yung integration by parts formula. u dv is equal to uv minus integral ni v du. And then let us differentiate this. Ang makukuha natin ay du equal to dx. And then v, anong integral ng cosine? That is sine x. So ito, using the integration by parts formula, so uv, you get x sine x. Ito yung uv minus integral of v du. At alam na natin actually ang integral ng sine x. Ang integral ng sine x ay negative cosine x. Or ang final answer, x sine x. Negative is positive. So, yan ang integral nito. So, napansin ninyo, after natin gamitin yung integration by parts dito, nagkaroon ka ng expression na mayroong integral na something easier to manipulate. Try naman natin si number 3. So, mukhang medyo iba itong example na to. Pero feeling ko ang u na mag-work ay x e to the x. At ang dv natin ay 1 over 1 plus x square dx. Kapag hindi nag-work yung substitution na yan, kailangan mo ibahin yung combi nila. Yung combination, pwede mong i-take na ito naman yung u, tapos ito yung dv, hanggang sa mag-work siya. Pero hopefully, itong substitution na naisip ko, mag-work. Okay, let us compute for du. We will apply product rule here. Ito yung first function mo, ito yung second. By product rule, the derivative of this is the derivative of the first times the second plus yung first and the derivative of the second, e to the x. Ang derivative ni e to the x is e to the x times dx. And then, sa part na ito, you have to integrate. Diba, this is the same as 1 plus x raised to negative 2. And pag in-integrate mo yan with respect to x, ang lalabas sa atin ay 1 plus x. Linear lang naman kasi yung nasa loob nito, no? So by chain rule, maging 1 plus x raised to negative 1 tapos divided by the new exponent. Or, that is the same as negative 1 over 1 plus x. And let us apply the IBP formula or the integration by parts formula. Kopyahin ko lang to. Ano ang mangyayari? Equal na siya sa UV. Ito yung U, ito yung V. So, x e to the x divided by 1 plus x negative minus integral ng V du. So, negative, negative, magpa-positive na to, no? So, positive V du. So, e to the x plus x e to the x divided by 1 plus x dx. Pero masisimplify pa natin yung nasa loob ng integral, right? Kasi ito pwede mong isulat yung numerator as e to the x 1 plus x. So makakancel yun. So magiging e to the x na lang siya. And e to the x is easy to integrate because the integral of e to the x is itself. So magiging sagot minus x e to the x over 1 plus x plus e to the x, tas mag-add ka ng c. So, ayan yung para sa third example natin. Luckily, nag-work yung substitution natin. Kasi kung hindi nag-work, mamimili na naman tayo ng u, mamimili na naman tayo ng dv. Itong last example natin for this video, gagamitan pa rin natin ng integration by parts, pero definite integral na siya. Pareha lang din yung formula doon sa kanina natin, integral ng u dv equal to uv minus integral ni v du. Pero, magkakaroon ka lang ng mga limits of integration. And observe, hindi magbabago yung limit of integration kasi kung x yung mga variables mo dito, pag ginamit mo yung IBP or integration by parts, x pa rin yung lalabas sa kabila. In this case, wala tayong choice. Mukhang ang u natin ay ln ng x square plus 1 lang, no? So, mapipilitan tayo na ang dv natin ay dx. Compute du is, what is the derivative of this? 1 over x square plus 1. Kasi ang derivative ni, with respect to x ni ln ng u is 1 over u times derivative ni u with respect to x. Okay, so ito yung u mo. What is the derivative of that with respect to x? 2x by chain rule. And then for this part, I integrate. And let us apply the IBP formula. Itago ko na lang to sa pangalang star para hindi ako maubusan na espasyo. So UV x ln of x squared plus 1. Tapos evaluate daw saan? Kopyahin mo lang yung limit of integration 0 to 2 minus v du. So 2x squared over x squared plus 1 dx evaluated from 0 to 2 or integral nan from 0 to 2. Yung first expression, ito madali kasi pa-plug in mo lang si 2. Anong lalabas? 2 ln ng 5 minus 0 ln of 1. Dapat malaki para hindi nakalito. Minus, okay, kopyahin ko lang itong pangalawa. Ayan. So, anong lalabas dito? Ito 0 na to. So, meron kang 2 ln of 5 minus integral from 0 to 2. Ito, rewrite natin sa form na madali siyang i-integrate. So, meron kang x squared. Ang pwede kong gawin dyan ay, this is scratch part lang. 2x squared over x squared plus 1. Yung x squared plus 1, magdadagdag ako ng 1. Tapos magmaminus ako ng 1 times 2 sa labas. Okay, kasi nagdagdag ako ng plus 1. Tapos times 2 ko, bali nag-add ako ng 2. Kaya minus ko para mag-equal pa rin sila. And the reason for that is, para maging ganito, panoorin nyo, 2 over x squared plus 1. Para ito mag-cancel. Magkakaroon lang ako ng minus integral ng 2 minus 2 over x squared plus 1 dx. Okay. At madali nang i-integrate yan. Kasi meron tayong mga formula dyan. Ang integral ni 2 with respect to x is 2x lang. Ang integral ng 1 over x squared plus 1 is tangent inverse x plus c. So, magiging tangent, twice ng tangent inverse lang yan. So, twice ng tangent inverse x. Tapos, ayan na, plug and play na lang. Makukuha natin 2 ln of 5 minus, plug in natin si 2. We get 4 minus twice ng tangent inverse ng 2 minus 2 times 0 minus twice ng tangent inverse 0. So the answer is 2 ln of 5 minus 4 minus twice tangent inverse ng 2. This is 0 and this is 0 because tangent inverse 0 is 0. At yan. Or kung gusto nyong i-distribute yung minus sign, you get distribute, magiging plus twice tangent inverse 2 minus 4. Pag definite integral number, dapat yung lalabas na sagot. And that ends our discussion on integration by parts for this video. So sa susunod nating video, mag-answer ulit tayo ng integration by parts problems, pero yung medyo mas mahirap ng onte. So goodbye, see you ulit. Take care.